Europe is looking to Norway for a Scandinavian solution to the energy crisis it faces because of soaring prices and a need to find new supplies due to the Russian attack on Ukraine. Energy industry experts say Norway can be relied on.
I think what we can do is to tell that we are a long time, we are a stable player, and they could trust us. Europe can trust us for Norwegian supply. That's going to be there. It's going to be there today, tomorrow, and the years to come.
Europe is trying to move away from Russian gas very quickly. That's no easy task. Almost 40% of the EU's natural gas came from Russia last year. Norway provided a quarter of the gas used. Norway is being asked to provide more, and supplies to other European nations look set to rise by 8% this year. However, the government agency regulating oil and gas resources say the country shouldn't be considered a petroleum panacea.
I'm not quite sure if we're the savior, but we can help out. We have resources on the Norwegian continental shelf for producing a large amount of oil and gas. And we can be a reliable supplier of oil and gas, and in particular then gas to Europe, for a long time. But it doesn't come from itself. It needs concrete actions if we are going to maintain the level of production that we have now.
Those actions will require exploring new gas fields and investment in maximising the potential of those already tapped. The money to do that is there. The Norwegian state owns a significant stake in the oil and gas industry, and statistics from the finance ministry in Oslo show that they expect to make around $109 billion in tax revenue from oil and gas exports this year. That's up $82 billion on 2021, after the war in Ukraine sent prices to stratospheric levels. This has prompted Polish Prime Minister Mateusz Morawiecki to say Norway should share some of these massive profits Oslo has made as an indirect result of the conflict in Ukraine. This came just as a new pipeline linking Poland to supply from the Norwegian gas fields across Danish territory was opened. That will see Norway provide around 15% of Poland's gas needs. Oslo dismisses any allegations of war profiteering. Energy industry insiders say security and pricing are crucial to Europe's future.
It's in everyone's interest to have a stable Europe, and affordable energy is extremely important in that issue. So I haven't met one single Norwegian who said that we should earn money of what's happening. We would like to supply, and we would like to secure that there is gas brought to Europe.
The European Union spent most of 2021 chiding Norway over the exploration for fossil fuels in the Arctic. The war in Ukraine changed all of that, and now European countries are looking to their Nordic neighbour both for help making bills affordable and, in many cases, with envy at the sheer amount of money Norway is making from the export of valuable resources at a time when many places are facing financial constraints. Peter Oliver, CGTN in Stavanger, Norway.